Here we are again on the top of a big freaking mountain. Well, the same damn mountain. What am I talking about? I go up here all the time. And look at this freaking tower. What do you think about that bad boy? Would you climb it? Comment below and let me know if you would climb that tower. I would say it's, I don't know, 150 feet. Yeah, something like that. Would you climb that tower? And we just put up a replacement to the AYB node, and we fixed it. It's all running and working again.
All your base belong to us. Aliens whisper, feel the trust. Jonathan Bennett needs to shave. In this network we all rave.
Yeah, we got
There's no way my car.
Derek driving. Here we go. I like his badges up here on the roof. I don't know if we can see those the way I'm filming it, but they're pretty cool. How's it going, man?
Hey, howdy.
Howdy.
Howdy, ho.
Hey, hey, hey. All the potholes have been filled. Potholes are filled, bugs are doubled. Yeah. All the manzanita trees are still burned, but we know they'll come back. So today we were doing the thankless job of fixing mesh nodes of different varieties. And today, Steven activated Otay Mountain.
Yeah.
What'd you do? 10 meters? What?
10 meters and 2 meters.
10 meters.
New Zealand and San Diego on 10 meters. And
Okay.
Texas.
Wow.
And 2 meters obviously just here in San Diego.
There we go.
Yeah.
I hope my camera was aimed right, but you know, let's go up there. That's where we're gonna go, right there. That's the abandoned money pit. There we go. Flex. Yeah. Beautiful. You're good over here, yeah. Yep.
Arms in.
Arms in. We got a big rock on this side. All right here. All right. Oh yeah. New pinstriping, right? There you go. There's the abandoned money pit. Oh. Door kicked in. You can just stay here.
Yeah, we're gonna hit the back down.
Here, we'll hop out. We'll check the status of this. It's been a while. Sorry. It has been a while since I've been here. I'm just gonna push through these bushes here. Ah. Oh yeah, that's old. I think it's a Bay Electric. There we go. Just watch out for the brown recluse spiders. So I came up here a while back, and it does not look as if it has changed. The walls are buckling more. They're gone? Oh wait, did someone take them? Oh shit. Oh man. Power supplies.
I'm not putting those anywhere near my stuff. That's a fire that can happen.
Huh. Oh, they took them out. Dude, somebody came and grabbed them.
Man, like I told you.
Oh shit. Last time I was here, these were not here. There's racks missing. Holy crap. They took the racks. Somebody took racks. There was a whole rack there that's missing. Oh my God. Dude, I swear to God, there's another rack here. There's another rack there. These are all disconnected now. Somebody came up here and started taking out the power supplies. my God.
This is Border Patrol.
FAA. Oh, look, there's a new graffiti tag on the wall. I wonder who did that. Oh, yeah. Somebody got busy in here. A lot of stuff is gone. There's a lot of hard line. A lot going up that tower. Dang, man, there's like one of them sitting right there. Somebody came and just stripped out all the good stuff. There's the electricity that's still alive. All right. Ew, there's poop in here. That's a fresh poop. I think there's an animal in here, man. Yeah, someone came over here and started stripping cable too. And there's the electricity is still alive. Look, meter's still alive. Back up a little and get a little bit of speed, and then you'll hop over that. There you go. Do the same thing for that one. You got to turn this way more. Huh. You got to come this way. Come hard this way.
Yeah, but if I turn the tires, then I'm not going to get the traction.
But the rock that you're hanging up on the far side is like right in the line of that tire. So if you turn this way, you'll miss it. Smells like a rubber factory. There you go. There you go. See? Bam. That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's go see what they took. All right, so somebody cut this wire and this wire. And all the way up there is that tower. And then that tower over there, the hard line is cut on that one. That's just drooping down. So somebody's been here recently. Look, even more hard line laying on the ground. But this is why it's the money pit. These walls have no rebar in them, so they're bulging out. You can see the roof cinder blocks are starting to separate from the wall. And if you look from above, which I have a drone shot of, I think, the roof is sinking in. So they're just gonna end up tearing this place down. But we figured we can't come and see what goodies are here, just in case. But nope, somebody beat us to it. That is dangerous, man. You see this live electricity? And there's the old Bay Electric generator, if anyone is interested. Still here. And an old battery. That battery used to be over there, so someone picked it up and moved it over here. And I'm gonna walk over here and see if I see anything. I never really went over this way, but there's a looks like a guy rod, a guy wire mast here, but it also looks like it was used to run ground across or something. But that is a guy wire, and is also, I see an electrical isolation thing. No, that's not a guy wire, but I need my glasses, man. I'm not seeing things right. So yeah, there's an electrical isolation thing. So somebody was running power off of this thing, probably over to one of the towers early back in the day. But look at the view. Look at the view. The view is to die for. You see this view, man? Wow. Yeah, you can see there's another mast over there, like this one, and it has 3 guy wires coming from it, going to this tower. So some of the guy wires for this tower are actually missing, it looks like. Now we've got 3 sets of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Maybe the bottom set is missing. That's what it looks like. Yeah, so we go and do all these crazy things in the name of ham radio to see what kind of adventures we can go on and what kind of things we can find. Oh, there's a rainbow. Dude, check out the rainbow, man. Let me show it to you. Hopefully it shows up. See that rainbow in the distance? I think my Uber to the mountains is ready to go. Now we're going down this crazy road.
Steve, I'm gonna need you to spot me on this rod.
You're good on this side. A little to the left.
Yeah,
There you go. There you go. Turn hard to the right. There you go. Beautiful. And it's nice.
Should I go? I think I go left.
Yeah, you can make a left.
I hope I can make that turn.
I think you can. Look at the Montanita that has not been burned. That's what they normally look like. There you go. That's a nice sharp turn, huh? Hopefully that brake job you just got worked. Dude, I like all the patches. Ooh. Tire?
Yeah. Yeah, I can see it.
We close that edge or
Yeah, we're close.
There you go. There you go. Very good. Hard left, and I think you're good. Woo. That was a fun one. Oh yeah.
Especially when you're spinning the tires.
Well, the last thing I want to do is get stuck in between the rocks.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that was a rough night. Edit that
I'm
one out.
sorry, I'm gonna have to edit that out. I'll play it backwards.
Right again.
Yeah. Unless you want to go out the other way for fun.
I'm good.